This video I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights. I just put a new bumper on. I just painted it, put a clear coat on it, and I was using compound to polish it, clean it up, make it shiny. And I was like, I wonder if that's going to work on my headlights. So you kind of see here where I used just a little bit, and I don't know if you can really see the difference here, but I'm going to clean this whole thing here with the compound and show you what this stuff does. We all see on the internet where everybody says use toothpaste with a toothbrush and you just scrub it on there or a rag. I've actually tried that with these headlights. It did not work. But like I said, I was putting this compound on my bumper here because I just painted it, and just tried a little bit on there, and it seemed to work pretty good. But all you do is you use a rag. I guess you got a little pad. You just put a little bit. Just kind of show you, put a little bit on your. About that much on there. All you can do is go in circular motions, and you don't want it to dry on the glass. And you just take your rag and wipe it off. I don't know if you can tell, but that makes a really big difference. I'm gonna do it one more time, just to make sure. Same thing, just a little spot. Rub it on there. Get your rag, wipe it off. Amazing. I mean, that looks a lot better. Hope that works for you. If it does, leave me a comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and just let me know what you think.